Hello friends, welcome to .NET Programming Tutorial. In this part, we will learn what is the ViewState in ASP.NET. So let's start the tutorial. So the ViewState is one of the client-side state management technique, and it is used to store the user data on a page after postback. And it does not hold the control; it holds the control value. We can use the ViewState if we want to store the small amount of data in a ViewState. So we can use for this purpose also. And if we compare view state with session, so the view state can be used for single page, but the session can store the values across the multiple pages. So let's see the advantage of view state. It is very easy to implement, no server resources are required. And disadvantage of view state is that if we store the large amount of data in a view state, so it slows the page performance, and it can be used for single page. So let's see what kind of data object we can store in a view state. First is a string, then boolean values, array object, array list. So this kind of data object we can store in a view state here. I am repeating: string, boolean values, array object, array list object. So this kind of data object we can store in a view state. So go to the Google Chrome here. So this is a sample form I have developed in a ASP.NET. So this sample form is for to understand how we can use the view state in a ASP.NET. If we enter the value in a text box, so we are on the click of clear button, we are clearing this text box value. And if we click on display button, so this clear text box value we are assigning to the label here. So let's flip to Visual Studio. So you can see that, so we are assigning this clear text box value to the label here. So to do that, we have to click on clear button. So this clear button event get created. So on the click of clear button, we have to clear this value. Along with that, we have to assign this text box value to the view state. So let's start write the line of code here. So here you can see that I am assigning this text box value the view set here, and now after that I am clearing this text box value here. So let's go to ASPX and now click on display button. So display button event get created here. So now I am assigning this text box value to the label here, and this text box value we are already stored in a view state here. So let's do that here. Copy this. So this is you can see that this is the label ID, and we are assigning the useset value to this label here. Now click on build. Now solution build successfully. Now click on start without debugging here. Now enter some value here. Now click on clear button, so the value get cleared here, and now click on display here. So the text box value, this is the text box value here. This is how we can use the view state in ASP.NET web application. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.